Well, summer's officially over, but the damage it did to your car's paint could live on well into the fall and winter.
Yeah, just like your teeth need regular cleaning, your car's paint job requires some maintenance as well with the wash and polish.
Consumer Reports car experts revealed the best ways to wax to the max. As the summer sun sets and many parts of the country prepare for rain and snow, Consumer Reports car experts say it's the perfect time of year to protect your car's finish.
CR suggests you hand wax your car with a change of every season. Waxing your car on a regular basis helps protect the paint from scratches, tree sap, and bird droppings.
First things first, before you apply the wax, Consumer Reports says you'll need to wash your car and dry it to get rid of any watermarks.
Then apply a coat of wax to the dried, cool surface. Don't work in direct sunlight because heat can make the wax spread unevenly and clump. Apply the wax in a circular motion, then let it dry and remove it with a microfiber cloth, also in a circular motion.
Want to keep your car shining as long as possible? If you plan on visiting the drive-through car wash, make sure you opt for a brushless one. The brushes in the automatic wash can actually strip off some of your wax job. Maybe you're tempted to skip all that elbow grease and opt for a spray-on wax treatment at the car wash. Not so fast.
The spray-on treatments at car washes give more of a cosmetic gloss, whereas hand waxing puts on a protective coat that can last for several months.
Now that's how you buff up on your car maintenance skills with a wax to the max. Well, Consumer Reports says that even the best car washes they've tested will only last a few months, so it's best to plan on hand waxing your car actually 3 to 4 times a year.
Oh man, I'm running behind already.
Yeah,
So,
me
but
too.
no, it's a good tip to get ready before the wintertime because you know the wintertime, all that salt gets on the ground, it gets up underneath their undercarriages and ruins our paint job.
Yeah, so you can have one last, I guess, shiny car before
Yeah.
all of that stuff kicks in.
It's going to be here before you know it.